President Duterte, klarong-klaro na gumagalaw to move for a good government, to move against charter change na which will perpetuate these incumbents to power.
Yes.
Oh, ikaw, senador ka, na alam mo sa loob-loob mo na hindi ako nanalo kung wala si Duterte. Alam nyo, your boss is saying this and saying that. Mayroon siyang advocacy. Walang naririnig sa inyo.
Tahimik sila.
Tahimik kayo. Hindi ba betrayal yan?
Good point na tinanong mo yan.
Betrayal yan eh.
Ngayon, ang tanong ng taong
Kasi
bayan.
you're not... Ngayon, sasabihin nyo, hindi kasi we're vying for a re-election. In the first place, wala kayong re-election na pag-uusapan kung hindi kayo pinanalo in the first place.
Exactly.